Welcome to Tech It's Simple. I'm here with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to delete pictures in your Tinder account, allowing you to curate your profile to perfection. To begin, open your Tinder application on your mobile device. Click on the human icon at the right corner below to access your profile. On your profile page, you will notice a pencil icon right above your profile picture. Click on it to enter the editing mode where you can manage your pictures. Here, you will see all the pictures you have posted on your Tinder account. To delete a picture, click on the cross button associated with the photo. This action will remove the selected photo from your profile. Please note that you won't be able to delete the first two photos. Instead, when you click on them, you will have the option to either replace the photo or add a new one. If you want to replace a photo, click on Replace Photo and choose another one from your gallery. If you wish to add a new photo, select the second option and upload the desired picture. Remember, you cannot delete the first two photos, but you can always refresh and update your profile by replacing or adding new pictures. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.